I am watching the road. I'm just not watching it right now when we almost crashed. Good morning, world.
Truck.
So these roads are kind of thin, but we are on the Amalfi Coast, and the situation it kind of took to kind of get here. Yeah.
Well, someone's upset with someone else.
Yeah, no, it's not me. The journey to get here over the last few hours went a little something like this.
You are not getting through here with a bigger car than that.
Check it out. So we're coming down this road here and we saw this. Check it out. The Amalfi Coast in all its glory. Like the best elevator tiles I've ever seen in my life. Yes, please. But nonetheless, we are here and we are currently in Amalfi, and we are heading to a beautiful beach called
Atrani.
Atrani.
It's the smallest town in Italy.
Atrani.
Atrani.
I didn't say it. And apparently, yeah, it's the smallest town in Italy, and we're just gonna kind of, today is kind of just a go where the day takes us kind of thing. Just drive and see where we stop.
It's a beach day.
Yeah, I don't know if I want to spend too much time on the beach, but I want to go explore. Okay, it's a beach day.
Just where it was needed.
Ravello. So I've figured out how to speak Italian. Your vowels, you got to just prolong. Ravello. So that's Italian, right?
Not offensive to anyone.
I think we went the wrong way here. What makes this place so special is that probably has gelato. But other than that, I'm not sure what it is. It's a beautiful monastery, apparently a lot of ceramic places, and just a really old little Italian town with lots of ruins. It's just beautiful everywhere in Italy, to be honest.
Just where it was needed.
You know what that means?
What?
Gelato time.
It's the Italian call for gelato.
Every hour on the hour.
Booyah! Mine's better. So it's been my experience that restaurants that are by the main plaza area like here are generally not the best at the food. You've always got to walk down the side alleys to find restaurants that have really good food, because they rely on their location to draw people in, but other people have to rely on good food to draw people in. So that's my theory. So we passed this little place called Gordini Cafe Calce Calala, Mamma Mia. I think this is where we gotta eat. See, look at this. Not even a 30-second walk from Centro. Theory proven, tried, tested, and successful. Well, that was fun. Best part about the Amalfi Coast is the water. Not so much the beaches, because they're a little bit pebbly and dark, but the water. The Mediterranean Ocean is nice and warm. Let's go give it a try. So where am I? In the middle of a mountain by Amalfi, because it's so congested here that in order to sort things out for people who want to walk, they drilled into the mountain and built these tunnels. So we parked up inside the mountain and
Walking through the mountain.
when we're walking through the mountain now to Amalfi, and that's just how we roll in Amalfi. Can I say Amalfi again? Amalfi.
Amalfi.
I think the first port of call is for me to find some food. Otherwise, I'm gonna get hangry.
I don't know, I want to go down to the beach first.
I love Italians. It's like they talk and they put their finger up like this. And they're probably like telling each other they love them, but in the most aggressive way possible.
They always sound angry.
They sure do. Alright, food is officially eaten. Now the mission is to find gelato, because Jess will not go a day in Italy without eating gelato. And of course I have to tag along as well and oblige. You want to find some gelato? Cool. I thought you'd get more excited when I said that.
Sorry, I'm looking at tat shops.
Alright guys, we're knocking on the head here. I'm done videoing.
Peace out.
I'm not finished. I'll tell you when I'm finished, then you can do the peace out.
Yeah.
So if you like this video, share it. There's gonna be a lot more.
Peace out.
There's gonna be a lot more tomorrow. We're gonna have some pretty fun.
Peace out.
Stop it! I'm trying to outro here. We're going to Capri, this awesome island off the coast of Amalfi Coast.
Peace out.
Okay, I'm going now. Goodbye. Peace out.